Hello friends, my name is Akash. I am a data scientist. Today I will show you how to build a simple RAG pipeline using LangGraph, open source Chroma DB and Google Gemini. We will store documents and retrieve them and answer questions with context. Okay, let's get started. We will load our Google API key and configure it. Then after, I am initializing my embedding model, which is SentenceTransformer. And then after, I will be creating a path for my Chroma DB and creating a table in the name collection where I will be storing all the embeddings and the data into that table. I will show you. Here is the sample and very small data points. So you could see here is lang chan and it's one sentence there, lang graph, lang smith, like that. I have put it the ID topic. Now you could see here I'm storing that embeddings into the Chroma database. So first of all, for creating the embedding and on the text, and then after I'm inserting the ID text and embeddings of that text and some metadata as well, like topic, like that. You could see here we created a function to take a user question and convert it into the embeddings and retrieve the top matching documents from the Chroma DB and return it. And also now you could see here I had defined the LangGraph workflow here. I had created a rag state, which is a class of TypedDict, and I had passed a question, context, answer here as a variable. Now I'm creating a node for retrieving. Now you could see I had call the retrieve relevant docs, that is a function, and passing the question there, and after that I'm returning the context. Now here there is another node I had created which will generate the response. So on the context what we are getting according to the user query. Now you could see here I had created the prompt here using ChatPromptTemplate and pass the prompt. You are a restricted assistant, only answer using the following context, and I had also passed the question. Now you could see here I am invoking my chain with context and question and returning the answer. Okay. Now you could see here I'm building the graph using a StateGraph and passing the shared data structure, that is rag state, and now creating the node using graph add node, and this first node is retrieve, second node is generate, and now I'm setting the entry point as retrieve, and there is one is retrieve to generate, and the generate is the final and it will be end up here. Now I'm compiling my graph. After that I will be running my graph on user query. Let's run my code. Yes, you could see here the question which I had asked is what is LangChain. Now our model is able to generate the response exactly same what we had earlier stored in the Chroma DB. You could see here LangChain is a framework built on LLM powered application, right? Now I am testing on some another query. Let me write some another query. What is lang graph and what is lang smith? Okay. Now let me run. You could see here langgraph is a library for building a stateful multi-actor application on top of langchain, and also you could see some lines about lang smith as well. It means our model is able to retrieve what we have stored in the Chroma DB. This is a very simple way of creating RAG pipeline. In the next video, I will be showing you some advanced feature in RAG, how we can rephrase the query, how we can handle if we did not found any context from the vector database, so that we will handle those as well. Thank you for watching my video.